Machine learning is very process-oriented. Data scientists and machine learning engineers follow the same core steps every time they are presented with a problem. Once a problem has been defined, you'll proceed to the first step in the process. A synonym for the machine learning process is the machine learning pipeline. This process can be distilled into 4 core steps. The first one is sourcing data. In the real world, most learning is supervised machine learning. Therefore, we need some data before we start modeling. Data can be sourced in many ways. Currently, many machine learning models are sourced from relational databases. The machine learning engineer will often be responsible for authoring the queries needed to massage the data into a single, modelable entity, the array. Next up is data wrangling. Once the data is in an array, the next step will be massaging that data into the best state possible for modeling. This includes, but is not limited to, removing unneeded attributes, replacing missing values, and altering any textual attributes to numbers. The model's performance is only as good as the data we feed it. The axiom often used here is garbage in and garbage out. Next up is modeling, the fun part. Models are algorithms that look for patterns in data. Tuning models is often referred to as hyperparameter tuning. At a high level, this means passing parameters into the model that affect the model's performance. For example, a well-known gradient booster called XGBoost uses decision trees as a foundation model in the ensemble, so altering the number of trees in the building process can affect the outcome of the model. Lastly, there's production. Once the model has been built, trained, tested, and tuned, it's ready to be used on fresh data. The true test for the model will be its success on data it's never seen before. Once the model is in production, the data scientist or machine learning engineer will need to monitor the model's performance to ensure its predictions are like those achieved in the training and the testing phases.